Unsanu Yuma F. What you do for me, I told him was it. Unsanu Yuma Yamama, Unyamia, what he has said. Unsanu Yuma Yamama, Unyamia no halfway. Unsanu Yuma Yamama, Unyamia, what he has said. Yeshira. Na yema so unyame agwama Jesus ade a unyame wa ye no doso ene bani age e na bewure nso aho me hwe aha na me de hwe ye fie se me kase ye fie a me de hwe ye mamu a na ese ne ya unyame de adom yen ese se yetumi bo ho ban na ye hu bibi ne ene mpanifo no kasa se ye betumi aye ye se che na beche enka ho papa bi ofiri mi kuro mi friend bra muda na se mo kan se ohia enka ho ndisa enne na oman no ayabasa se nyina eke hu bomu a e betimi ayi bibi ama enema ayi sa ye benya ya so my body was say you beyond 2025 I know that our Redeemer lives and things will change for better.
That's right.
And we will see the glory of God. To Nyamenka now, na or share day. Na yemfa biakuye. We need to work with unity and the one accord and work together. Someone said that things are falling apart because center cannot hold. Because if the center cannot hold, everything will go away. So we need to come together as one people, as one family, and one destiny, and be focused and attentive, and do the things that God or our Maker has brings us here to do. So
where's the use? The boat look try to hook a Kenya.
They said you try to hook a
and so, I'm not discount.